god!
I have to. I cannot.
Hey, I'm Ezza. I'm the digital content writer.
Hi, I'm Karen. I'm the art director from Marieclair Malaysia.
I'm Najihah Rashid and I'm the writer at Marieclair. Hi, I'm Alisha and I'm also a writer.
I really don't know how to cook, but I think Karen can pretty much cook, so she's my strength for this group, I think. What can you cook, Karen?
I can cook pasta, fried rice, fried mee hoon. That's very simple one.
How are you like in the kitchen? I don't exist in the kitchen. I don't need to be honest. We definitely had fun in mind, I think, coming into this. So hopefully it will be a fun experience.
But I think we have to work together.
Work together, right?
Yeah, we have to work together.
So you guys have to see if we really can work together.
Hello everyone, welcome to our very first Marieclair cook-off for Christmas. So here we have two judges with us. It's the amazing Anis Nabilah, celebrity chef, and also Jenny Uy, who's the regional director for Thermomix. We have 4 of our girls here today who will be cooking for us. There are 4 from the editorial team and also our art team. So now that you guys are in your stations, what we're going to do today is that we're going to do this tag team sort of process where one of you will start cooking and the other one will be on the side for like 15 minutes, guiding you through. Wow! We're going to guide you through what they're going to do, and then they're going to swap every 15 minutes. So take a few minutes now to discuss what you guys are going to do.
All the ingredients are at the back, so you guys can choose what you want to work with. And I think your time starts now. Okay, ladies, have you decided what you're making? Yes. Yeah. So now just focus on your main course, and you've got an hour, so you know you've got a fantastic machine. We want you guys to wow us, but at the same time, don't go too crazy. All right, you may begin.
I get professional help.
The difficulty just now.
Question, does that look like a raisin dough? Oh, you can't poke all the way through? Oh my god! You can do this.
Let's bring in the first dish.
So, do you guys want to tell us a little bit more about the dish?
We did pasta pesto, and then we used the pine nuts with it. We blended with olive oil.
I like it, nice. The taste is good. I feel like you could squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in your fish.
But I like the consistency, the texture, and the bit of like the parmesan in it as well.
Yeah.
So for the salmon, you can put a bit more black pepper if you want, right? But other than that, it's not dry. You really get the full flavor, the full benefit of salmon, which is its natural oil.
Thank you.
Thank you. Whoa, look at our newborn chefs.
The stew smells amazing.
So that's why we decided to opt for focaccia here today. And then also we have a beef stew too, to complement the bread as well.
First time making bread and look at it, it's rising so nicely.
Let's try it out.
The bread is really nice.
It's very soothing.
Yeah.
I think it's a very it's
very
like comfort
comforting.
food.
Yeah, we're really happy with the way the bread came out. Thank you guys. Thank you.
So the winner is pasta and salmon. A really close call. It's just that because it was cooked perfectly. Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't even know. You guys, your
bread was fantastic. Your stew was good. It was only the beef was a little bit on the tough side.
So now the winner gets to choose the dessert that they want to make. One would be the mango sorbet and also the virgin frozen margarita. So which?
Oh, we do the virgin frozen margarita.
So let's get started.
Well, everything smells like. Yeah.
We do this first.
Okay.
What do we have? Come on, bring it out, girls. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I feel like it could do a little bit of zest. So if you had added a little bit of lemon juice or a little bit of zest, it will give that freshness, that tang.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. All that's missing is a beach now. Yum, so good, guys. Thank you.
Well done, girls. Okay, so now we're gonna try the burnt cheesecake.
Yeah, so the cheesecake is a burnt cheesecake. We've made it a bit smaller because of like time constraint. We've kind of like microed it into one nice one person serving. Then we top it off with a bit of strawberry and some icing sugar and the blueberry coulis to complement the cheesecake.
Great job, guys.
Good job.
I can't believe my writers just made that.
Thank you, guys.
Well, thank you so much. Well done, well done. Okay, well, reached the end of the segment here.
Yep.
So, yeah, it's quite interesting. So perhaps you ladies want to tell us what your experience was?
I think it was a very fun experience. It's such a complicated menu to make, but I think me and Karen did a pretty good job as a team.
Yeah, it was fun, but also really like easy in the sense that cooking comes with a lot of like stress. Today's experience really didn't have a lot of that, and it was really just all about having fun with each other, working with Gigi as a team, competing against Ezza and Karen, and it was just like a good, fun competition. Yeah.
So we've got the results.
Yes, we feel that for the dessert segment, I think the burnt cheesecake takes it. Well done. Oh my god. Yeah, I think both teams did really, really amazing.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, actually.
So well done.
Yeah.